Good day, everyone. I am Rosemary Sotomayor.
And I'm Mark Aaron Gabato.
And we are here at Bugho Mualbol, Cebu to conduct an interview about
Laws and policies on violence and discrimination against LGBTQ plus community.
He is a former captain of Barangay Bugho, Mualbol, Cebu, and now he is a counselor, a God focal person for almost 6 months of service. Our interviewee, Counselor Mr. Angelo Llanos, as he will share to us his experiences as a focal person in the alignment with our inquiries.
So, what are you waiting for?
Let's buckle up.
Sir, we are second year students from CTU Mualbol
Campus, BSc Math students.
So we are here to interview you about the GAT,
Local legislators.
local legislators here in Mualbol.
So here are some of the questions. First, are you aware of international and local gender development or GAD policies? Provide examples.
Yes. Example?
Yes.
Oh,
Anong example?
ang daghan kay example nga kuan business and livelihood training program orientation of on RE 9262 anti-bawsilo provide medicine for hypertension, diabetic to indigent women and men in this barangay. Orientation of sex education among teenagers. Orientation of RE 106 to 7 Anti-Bullying Act. Gender sensitivity training. Orientation on RE 9262. Good. That's the program of Barangay Annual Gender and Development for the fiscal year 2024.
Okay, sir. So the second question is, during your term of service, have you proposed or enacted any local ordinance or resolution addressing issues on GAD? If yes, provide the ordinance or resolution and its basic content.
Since I was 5 to 6 months of this program, not yet no ordinance has been made. We are conducting orientation for the different purocks of this barangay about BAUSI, violence against women and children, and also the Public Act 9262, the anti-BAUSI law. 3 purocks of this barangay has been already conducted orientation seminar.
3 purocks po, sir.
Another 2 purocks will be by the month of June. And also we are this barangay has implemented and the social protection section 20 right to health, section 30 social protection, land, section 20, right to health. We are implemented to purchase medicines for the hypertension and diabetic to indigent women and men of this barangay. Implemented na siya, implemented. Ang God budget is 49,140. Responsible persons for the implementation is from barangay, community and health. I, the focal person, has already conducted orientation seminar of 3 poroks of this barangay.
3 forums has already been oriented.
Namely, atong hinganlan, Purok Chicos, Purok Sambag, and Purok Kaimito. Two more Purok wala pa. Not yet. Two Puroks not yet. Maybe this June, month of June. Purok Kambis and Purok Nangka will be scheduled on June, maybe this month, the next month, June.
Third question follows. During your term of service, have you spearheaded any program or activity addressing issues in God? If yes, provide the program and or activity.
Yes. Like the orientation seminar of
Yes.
Bausian Republic Act 9262. Are you familiar with any cases of discrimination of persons in your locality? Kaso of discrimination na? No. Do you plan or plan? Or propose?
Number 4, Mr.
Are you familiar?
No.
Number 5, do you plan of proposing or enacting a local ordinance or resolution addressing discrimination based on service?
We have a plan.
Hindi siya
Oh, sa GP. Pero wala pa na siya ang luma.
Oh, pero
about this sa kuan ka ng mga LGBT.
oh, LGBT. We have a plan for orientation of sex education among teenagers.
Wala to ang contact no ang sex education sa teenager ang ilang basic content yung orientations.
Oh.
So number 6 class, do you plan of spearheading any program or activity addressing discrimination based on SOG? Kanang nabada kay plano ka ka mag-propose o mga program o activity like sa ganina ba? Ano na to no? So,
Natay plano nga plan for sex education at least 50 teenage boys and girls oriented for that purpose sex education. We have the God budget of 28,000 for the speaker and for the meal and snacks of the participants. The responsible person is Committee on Health, BFW and BNS. We have also a plan for orientation of RA 106-7 Anti-Bullying Act.
salamat ka
Okay na?
sa pagkatag o magaling na mga ka-interview
Oo.
labi na aming project sa God.
Basta pa yan.
Dako kayo
Sugat.
magamit ko siya ng video for information para sa mga kabatanunan para sila mo para makatagod sila kanang unsay knowledge about sa God, about sa LGBTQ, sa kayo sa